Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening QuickTime and loading the clip you want to be first. Once done, make sure the other clips are visible in Finder so you can grab them quickly. You'll drag each subsequent file into the open QuickTime window. This creates a new movie track appended to the end. Make sure each clip's format is compatible. QuickTime handles MOV and many MP4 variants, so you won't run into import errors mid-process. You'll now arrange and trim the clips to craft a seamless sequence. First, drag each additional file into the QuickTime window and drop where you want it to appear. If needed, move the playhead to define insert position. Then choose Edit Trim to remove unwanted parts. Trim previews play instantly with the spacebar. Make sure to preview transitions between clips and adjust order by dragging clips in the timeline until you finish by exporting the merged movie. Go to File, Export As, and pick the resolution that matches your project. Name and save the file. Once exported, play the entire file to confirm audio sync and visual continuity. If you encounter an error or missing audio, convert source clips to a common codec like H.264 using QuickTime or a small converter, then re-import and export again. That troubleshooting step resolves most incompatibility issues and ensures a clean file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.